Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I emphasized patience and the need for a decisive reversal signal on the 4-hour chart. Since then, Bitcoin has extended its decline, sliding from negative 2.2% to nearly negative 2.9%, tapping 93.5K. This level aligns with our well-established blue horizontal support range, a zone we've consistently referenced. Price reacted with a subtle bounce toward 94K, suggesting short-term demand, but conviction remains tentative for now. A green dot has appeared on the 4-hour chart, often a precursor to trend reversals. Still, the current candle is struggling to close decisively green, implying that bulls are yet to take full control. A clean break above 94.5K would add confidence. Wave trend momentum on lower timeframes is coiling, signaling compression ahead of a volatility expansion. Money flow is starting to shift, but we need volume to confirm whether bulls or bears will seize control of the next major move. I've opened a smaller long position on BingX, aligning my capital with my conviction. If you want to trade on an elite exchange with some of the lowest fees in the industry, sign up using my link in the pinned comment to receive a lifetime 10% discount. Now let's zoom out. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor announced the acquisition of 1,895 Bitcoin for approximately $180 million. Their average buy sits at 68.5K. Their holdings now total over 555,000 Bitcoin, making them the single largest corporate holder of Bitcoin by a wide margin, and a powerful vote of confidence in long-term price appreciation. Meanwhile, Eric Semler's firm, SMLR, has added 167 Bitcoin to their treasury. With this latest buy, they now hold over 3,600 Bitcoin, making them the fourth largest Bitcoin treasury in the US. In addition to corporate treasuries growing, US-based spot Bitcoin ETFs attracted $1.84 billion in inflows last week, the third consecutive week of net positive flows, despite Bitcoin pulling back from recent highs above 98K. This signals that institutional conviction remains strong, even amid short-term volatility. If price breaks to the upside, these steady inflows may act as the fuel for the next rally leg. Are you also stacking here at sub 100K? I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.